kule itulo nihambile nayohlala emasababsini thina esihlala la elokishini nisitshela ukuthi nesilwa nama-foreigners you are killing our own black brothers whereas nina nihleli kukwabhaklu nihleli ema-rosebank nihlele endaweni engcono ngenxa yeni ngamavoti wethu nikhohle ukuthi nibekwe yithi ey'tulweni enough is enough ngifuna nimtshele noma lema nalelima zakhe zasezimbabwe ukuthi they must bring it on we are ready for the war enough is enough we are going to fight for this country we are sick and tired sikhathele yini sikhathele sizwile nihleli kamnandi emnothweni nihambe ngey'moto ezinhle ngizobona idlele mali nidlele icede kumanje eNatal beseniqalile nitshontshe igroza ngamaveni nifuna ukuthatha le mali ayidonethile enough is enough sizwile yini amandla.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Umkhosi Mzansi. If today is your first time visiting this channel, please do the right thing and click the subscribe button. People are really fuming. People are really angry ngalokho kwenda government yethu guys, and abantu bayabona guys. Bangaqabanga ukuthi mhlawumbe ababoni yima sekutofika isikhathi sokuthi bavotele batuzama kubabribe bangene ngemakhaya bazame ukunika abantu ama-donations etekepa. People are now awise kisana bayabona ukuthi this government is just playing with ma-South Africans. So this lady is even saying ukuthi bayavotelwa abantu bahlala etikhundleni bayophila kahle bahlale kahle emadrobheni nebantu ababo where else bona babe bahlupheka abendelwa lutho. Uthi sithi siyazama sicosha ama-foreigner la South Africa ngokuthi siyabona ukuthi abasiphilisi kahle. The very same people alabavotelwa kubafake etikhundleni abafuni ukuthi kuqoshwe ama-foreigner. And she's saying ukuthi enough is enough kesana liyeta langa labo uthi liyeta njena lilanga labo babantu sebakhathele ukutreatwa ngalendlela ukutreatwa kabuhlungu bakhathele kuyuzwa kahlahle siyayuzwa la siyaqhashazwa kwasho maZulu athi nokuxhashazwa siyaqhaphatwa la kahle Nkosi yami because kungani thina sifike sivotele abantu sibabeke etikhundleni mabasuka lapho bantu abasinaki mabasuka lapho bantu banaka bona nemindeni yabo bangabe nendzaba nje bangabe nendzaba na anything lendeka eSouth Africa nje ungaramaphosa ulithulele kwenteka la South Africa uhlezi yena quiet ngeumuva akhuluma ngeumuva but abathi kube nekulwa akulamanye amavudo mbona uyakhona ukuthi uyolekelela. Ramaphosa uhlala number 1 wokugijima ekulamanye amave uma lamanye amave banetinkinga ubahlasela ngilamanye amave uhlala kuyayena phambili uhlala kunaye phambili lokugijima kokuqala athi yolekelela kulamanye amave. Ulekelela njani wena in your own country tindo atibheke phansi phezulu ulekelela njani la South Africa sadela ne-issue yema-foreigners the very same people ANC EFF ethi nje cho asingaqoshi ama-foreigners sicosha our own African brothers laba sitshontshela ko labasithengisela dzakamiva labathengisa imitimba la South Africa labasibamba inkunzi labasiqola ko basikemako ngiyoma African brothers ethu lawo lekufanele singawaqoshi thina la South Africa. Uqinisile lo sisi enough is enough. Please do comment what you think below down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I'll see you on the next one. I'm signing out. So goodbye.